Have you ever heard of a place where a person never returns the same, where the darkness is so deep that even the sound of your own breath begins to terrify you, where silence speaks and the walls seem to whisper back? But before we begin, if you're new here, welcome to the Dark Files. Here every story hides a darker truth. We uncover forgotten tunnels, cursed villages, and the places the world tried to erase. So if you're not afraid of the dark, stay with us, because tonight, the truth will find you. Now, let's begin tonight's story. Inunaki Tunnel, the Gate of No Return. Chapter 1. The Tunnel's Past. Today we take you inside Japan's most mysterious and terrifying tunnel, the Inunaki Tunnel. It was built in the 1950s to connect remote mountain towns and villages. Back then, it was a symbol of hope, a road filled with laughter and life. But as time passed, everything changed. By 1975, a new modern tunnel replaced it, and the old Inunaki Tunnel was sealed forever. Slowly, nature reclaimed it. The walls turned green with moss, the iron gates rusted away, and the darkness swallowed it whole. Chapter 2. The Horrific Night of 1988. December 1988, a freezing night in Japan. 5 young men kidnapped a factory worker, dragging him deep into this abandoned tunnel. Inside, there was only silence, and his screams echoing through the cold stone walls. No one came for help. No one even knew. They beat him mercilessly, and then burned him alive. They say, when a man burns, his screams are absorbed by the earth and the walls. And this tunnel still remembers every one of them. Chapter 3. Haunted Legends. After that night, this tunnel stopped being a road. It became a curse. Locals whisper that screams echo through it after midnight. Some feel invisible hands push them from behind. But when they turn, no one is there. Others have seen figures in white walking slowly. Before vanishing into thin air, drivers say their cars stall near the tunnel, as if something doesn't want them to leave. Chapter 4. The Hidden Village. The tunnel hides another mystery, the Inunaki village. They say this village doesn't exist on any map. Its people follow their own strange laws. Neither the Japanese government nor any law applies there if an outsider enters by mistake. There's no guarantee they'll ever come back. Those who go there never return. Chapter 5. Paranormal Investigations. Many ghost hunters tried investigating this place. Their cameras captured strange sounds, static, whispers, and faint crying in the distance. One team even claimed to record a woman screaming, though no woman was there. Others found handprints on the tunnel walls, as if something inside was trying to escape. Chapter 6. Psychology versus Fear. Scientists call it the mind's illusion. Darkness, silence, and fear combine, creating hallucinations that feel real. But then, why do so many people tell the same story? Why do engines stall only here? Why do cameras capture voices no one heard in person? Chapter 7. Between Fear and Truth. The Inunaki Tunnel stands at the crossroad of history, fear, and mystery. History says a crime was committed here. Science says it's only illusion. But the people believe this place is alive, and maybe that's why it remains one of the world's most mysterious places. Ending the Inunaki Tunnel, where the screams of crime still echo, where shadows breathe in the dark, and where voices might whisper your name. If one day you stand before it and hear someone calling you from inside, remember, never answer back. Come back to us.